If you want to check hidden replies on Bluesky account, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your Bluesky. On Bluesky, hidden replies are not directly labeled as hidden in the user interface, but they may appear as collapsed sections in a thread, especially in cases of deeply nested replies or inactive threads. Here's how you can manage and check them, right? If you posted the thread, just expand the thread in the feed. If the replies are not immediately visible, you may need to tap on the thread to reveal the hidden comments. Bluesky often collapses deeply nested conversations to maintain a clear interface. And check notifications. And in your notifications at the bottom right here, if someone replies to your posts, you may receive a notification even if the reply is a part of a collapsed thread. This helps you identify the hidden replies, okay? And check the custom feed settings, and this is requires a third-party apps and custom feed like Skyfeed and Ski Deck, and they allow a better customization for viewing replies. But basically, the main point is to check your notification, right? So you can see the hidden replies and expand your thread or post to see the full replies, all right? Because sometimes the nasty replies are put under, or just they put it under so they can keep a clean reply. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.